What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Labyrinth Garage. Today we will be changing out the door handles to carbon fiber door handles. It was a pain in the butt.
Take the bitch, bro. Take the bitch. Hot? A little bit. You gotta leave just our commentary back and forth sometimes.
I can't. It just doesn't. It doesn't flow right.
It almost came off.
Told you, that bitch is almost already off. You gonna find the bolt?
Yes, I think I already broke the loose. I was so confused. I was like, what is happening? You already broke it loose. I don't know how the fuck I did that.
Door's out of frame, bro. Completely out of frame.
Is it in frame now?
A little bit, not really.
Please don't fall on the door. Thank God. That's so freaking. Hello, guys.
That's not even going anywhere close to the video.
Huh?
That's not going anywhere close to the video.
What?
It is so unfocused. Your hat's literally covering everything. Your hat literally covered the entirety of the fucking door.
Is that better?
Your hair's in the frame.
Bro, I can't fix that. I gotta be able to see what I'm doing.
What do you see? What are you seeing right now? Nothing. All you're seeing is your hand.
This is such a weird angle to do this. We got the second bolt out. What's that?
Focus as fuck, dude. It's not gonna focus on it. The background is too wonky.
Yeah, see? It's broken. What's up, everybody? We finally got the door handle off the passenger door. We're replacing it with some carbon fiber door handles. You're about to see here in a second. But this is what the car looks like without the door handle on it. As you saw in the past clip that we already took, saw us disconnected and everything. Hopefully you guys can actually see it without my hat being in the way, because Chris was complaining about it the whole fucking time. Alright guys, here we got this, this is the old door handle. The reason it wasn't working was because this piece broke off of it. This is the actual piece that turns to open the door. So, well, we got this door handle, the carbon fiber one. What we need to do is go ahead and take this metal piece out of this so we can actually use the door. I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna get this off without hurting myself, but here we go. There we go. Nice. Can you see it?
Yeah, it's just really far away. You can zoom in though. Right here.
Here we go.
Oh, you got it out.
Yeah.
That in first, and then once it gets in, you'll be able to slide it in.
Yeah. There we go. There we go. Got it clicked in. Now we just gotta go back over to the passenger door and put it in. Alright, so I can't really point this out. There's a little blue circle thing that's inside the door that you gotta connect that black line to. And you just, it's right down
I was
here.
gonna point it out in the video.
Oh.
I was gonna use the circle thing again. Okay, we can just get in there and do that. You want me to line you in?
Yeah, because I can't see. Are you recording still?
Yeah, we're still recording.
Yep. Once I get it set, there we go. I just didn't have
me to hold it.
Yeah.
Good.
Where's the bolt?
Right here.
I'm doing this so fucking blind right now. Who says you need eyes?
You did.
Yeah, I know. Hey, you want to hand me the other bolt? Try to. This one, actually, I'm not going to do it like that because I can't see that. That one's even deeper. I'm getting hot. Here at Labyrinth Garage, we use tools that are really unnecessary. Yeah, there we go. Now time to test the door. See if that's all we really need to do, you know what I mean? Wait, I have a feeling we do because the inside door handle's connected. Check out my pocket.
We can open the door!
Let's go! Let's fucking go. We got the passenger door working now, so we're just about to hop over to the driver's side to replace the regulator for the window and the other door handle. But this shit looks clean as fuck. The carbon fiber looks really good on the car. Okay.
Oh, you have fucking wiring because of the lock.
Yeah. I'm not sure how to take that off. Especially since I can't really fucking see. Unless we can take the... Nope.
No, it's just a fucking screw right here.
A bolt?
Yeah, bolt
Okay.
slash screw.
Thank you, Chris.
Mm-hmm.
Mine's not working too well today.
Well, it helps them on the right side.
Yeah. There we go. Hey, we're back on the hood because we're gonna go ahead and remove this black piece to put onto the other door handle. I'm just gonna go ahead and break that real quick. There we go. Slide it out. There we go. Looks like a bunch of rain got into it because it looks like he JB welded it. The guy before me. Looks like he JB welded it. The guy that had the car before me. So when we get into the door later, we're gonna be able to see how bad it is. But there we go.
Go ahead and do what you gotta do.
And again, before I put this door handle on, make sure you line this piece up with that blue little thing down in there. I don't know.
I'll show them on it from the other side.
The same thing on both sides. But now we're gonna go ahead and get this lock back on somehow. Somehow we're gonna get this piece back on.
You didn't hand me the bolt for the lock, right?
I know where it's at. Christopher. I don't know how I'm supposed to get this back on. Like that, there we go. Nope. There we go. Right. Yeah, right? Looks about right?
That's about right, yeah.
I'm lined up. Yeah. There's supposed to be 2 bolts for this. Which makes me definitely believe that he fucked up before. Oh shit. The fuck? Oh god, Chris.
What? Oh lord, how'd you do that?
I don't fucking know. We gotta take this piece back out. Hold on. There we go. Where's the screwdriver at? Which way do I go?
Towards me.
Towards you? If you want more videos like that, hit the like, comment, subscribe, and don't get lost in the labyrinth.